everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. I am Nipasa Pradhan. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for all H1B visa hopefuls: how to check your H1B lottery registration results for fiscal year 2025. So here's the deal. In previous years, employers received email notifications regarding the H1B lottery results when an H1B is picked in the selection process. But this year, things have changed. There are no more email notifications. Yep, you heard it right. It's number one on our list of updates. Let's break it down. Unfortunately, beneficiaries must rely on employers or the attorney on record to obtain results. Employers need to head over to the USCIS website at myuscis.gov and navigate to the H1B registrations section. Once there, they'll find a list of all registrations submitted by their company. It looks like there are no more email notifications. Employers must now log in every day to see if their registrations have been selected. So, what happens if your registration is selected? Well, let me walk you through it. The selection process is pretty straightforward. Out of all applications submitted, only a handful will be chosen. It's like a digital lottery, but instead of winning cash, you get the opportunity to apply for an H1B visa. So, how do you check if your registration has been selected? Well, here's how. Employers or the designated attorneys log into myuscis.gov, and after they sign in, they can access their H1B registrations and the selections. Now, once they log in, USCIS will send a two-step secure verification code just to protect the employer account, and after they log in, they can navigate to the H1B registrations and look at the H1B registration submitted for the fiscal year 2025. And it's going to show a table of all the beneficiaries that were submitted by the employer as of the last deadline, which was March 25th, 2024. If you look into the screen, we have listed down about 10 applications, and out of those 10, so far as of today, March 28th, only one registration is selected. Everything else is under submitted status. So there might be another selection process, or maybe this is the end of it. We have no idea. But USCIS traditionally has conducted multiple rounds, so we will hope for the best and wait for notifications from the USCIS about additional selections rounds. Now, if you look at the selected status for this beneficiary, you see another tab with actions. Under actions, you can see a download link for the notice. This is the actual notification that the H1B registration was selected in the random selection process. This notice has a lot of information about the beneficiary and the type of H1B numerical cap, whether it's a master's cap or a regular cap, and with a deadline to submit the petition, which is June 30th, 2024. Now, the employers can start submitting as of April 1st, 2024 up until June 30th, 2024. As compared to previous years starting fiscal year 2025, this is going to be a beneficiary-centric process. If this beneficiary has applied for multiple jobs, every employer might have received a notification to submit an application. Here's where it gets interesting. USCIS now counts each beneficiary's applications as one, regardless of how many employers file on their behalf. So if 5 employers submit applications for you, it only counts as one entry in the lottery. So now, what changed from the last year? The filing addresses. Earlier, the filing addresses were based on the employer location. They would go to Nebraska Service Center, California Service Center, Texas Service Center, Vermont Service Center based on the jurisdiction. Now, they have centralized this process by providing a lockbox. This is as of April 1st, and all the H1B CAP registrations filings will occur as of April 1st. They must be for all regular processing. They must be submitted at the Texas Service Center lockbox. And for the premium processing application, there is also a filing location. So employers should visit this page, which is uscis.gov I-129 addresses, to navigate to the appropriate location to file. If the application location is sent to a wrong location, beware. The application will be rejected unless they attempt to file it online. There is an online process as well starting this year. So if they are submitting an application online, it's a different story. But if they're sending a paper application, they have to ensure they're sending it to the right address, or the application will be rejected if they're sending after the deadline in June. And there you have it, folks. A step by step guide on how to check your H1B lottery registration results. Don't forget to stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll delve even deeper into immigration and job related topics. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, this is Nipasa Pradhan signing off. Take care and best of luck with your H1B journey.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.